You don't need to be a rocket scientist to land a job. You don't even need a fancy degree. All you need is one skill. One skill that can open doors not just in the US or India but anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you're fresh out of college or you've been in the workforce for a while. This skill is like a universal language that transcends borders and industries. Can you guess what it is? Give you a hint, it's not coding, although that helps. It's not an MBA either, it's something simpler, more accessible, something that you too can learn. 3 years ago, Ajay was just another guy with a degree and no job. He applied for dozens of roles, but no callbacks. His resume was average, his confidence was low. The job market was brutal, especially without tech skills. But one day during a part-time internship, his manager casually asked, "Does anyone here know Excel?" Ajay raised his hand. He didn't know much, just the basics, but that didn't stop him from saying yes. That night he went home and deep dived, pivot tables, lookup, dashboards, automation. He stayed up late learning, practicing, building. 2 weeks later, the same manager asked him to automate a report. He did it fast and accurately. That one Excel file impressed the team so much they offered him a full-time role. No coding, number MBA, just Excel skills. Today he leads analytics for a mid-sized firm, and every step of the way Excel has been his foot in the door. In this video, I'll share how our Ajay used Excel to get hired and how you can do the same. Whether you're in the US, India, or anywhere else, Excel is still one of the most in-demand, overlooked skills. I'll share what to learn, how to present it, and how to get noticed. Now let me tell you what you need to do. Step 1. Learn the basics. If you're a complete beginner, start with the basics. I'm talking about formulas, pivot tables, charts, and basic data cleaning. It doesn't have to be complicated. Once you know the basics, move on to intermediate level. Learn how to work with large data sets, how to visualize data using charts, and how to automate repetitive tasks using macros. Finally, advanced level. This is where you'll learn how to build complex models, analyze large data sets, and make business recommendations based on your findings. Step 2. Build projects. Now that you know the basics, it's time to build projects. And don't just build projects, build a portfolio of projects. Think about the kind of work you want to do and build projects around that. For example, if you want to work in marketing, you could build a project that analyzes the effectiveness of different marketing channels. Or if you want to work in finance, you could build a project that forecasts financial statements. Step 3. Showcase your work. It's time to showcase your work. Create a website or a blog and share your projects with the world. You can also share your work on platforms like GitHub and Kaggle. And don't forget to include a link to your portfolio in your resume. Step 4. Network. Networking is key. Attend meetups and conferences and talk to people in the industry. Share your work and ask for feedback. You never know where your next opportunity will come from. Now let me leave you with a final thought. Don't wait for the perfect time to learn Excel or to build your career. The perfect time doesn't exist. Start today and make progress every day. In a few months, you'll look back and see how far you've come. I promise you that. Thank you and all the best.